Hello everyone, I'm Dennis Bruin from Advantage Label. We're going to show you some videos on how to set up your Line Boss. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm coming back into work for a big day to run on the Line Boss, ready to run all my pots. What I need to do is turn it on first, so follow me. First thing I'm going to do is obviously is going to turn the switch on. And I'm going to wait about 13 seconds for it to boot. All right, once it's done ready to boot, we're going to go ahead and turn the power button on. Just press it once. And then to get my belt rolling, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the start button. And then I want to stop my belt so I can make my adjustments for my alignment on the next step. Okay, so now I'm ready to position this and get this set up so that we can get this all tested up on here. I'm going to adjust my home rails to make sure they are in the right position, and then I'm going to adjust my guide rails so that this doesn't slide back and forth. So I need to bring it in just a little on this end here, and then go ahead and tighten it down. And we have to adjust the guide rails on this end as well. I'll bring the height up a little bit, just a tad, because it's a pot, so we're gonna raise it up. We're gonna bring my guide rails in. That's too far out. So loosen these both up and just kind of fit it right about a 1/16 of an inch away, and then lock her down. And let's go ahead and jog the belt. Good, I believe our guide rails are not catching, we're good. Now let's go ahead and adjust the top. Once again, I'm gonna just jog it here. Just put my pot directly right underneath here and stop. The top down mount layer is gonna come down. We're gonna bring it right down onto the pot itself. So what we don't want it to do is to rock back and forth. So we want to keep it nice and straight. Get enough pressure on there, but not crush the pot. I don't want it to move. There we go, good. That should be good. If I need to bring in my label more, I can just bring it in just by a half a notch with a crank here, either out or in, just to get that closer pinch on there. Now we're ready to do the part of the operations. We want to load the right format for this pot. This pot actually has it on the bottom here. It says 750. So inside this menu format, there should be one for 750. Let's go ahead. So we want to make sure we're in the offline. So if it's online, notice how I can't hit the label format to load. So I'm going to press the online again, off. I'm going to hit the label format, the blue button. And I'm going to look for 750. There's my label format. And now I'm going to hit the red button where it says load format. And now that we've got it loaded, we're going to hit the home. And now we can press online. We're back in business, ready to print.